welcome back to my channel. This is the Work at Home Boss, and I'm back with another job opportunity. Now, this job opportunity is with Continuum Global Solutions. They're actually hiring for a plethora of positions. Now, our work from home opportunities are customer care coordinator, and they have different ones. It's based on your state. So if you live in Virginia, Maryland, Kentucky, Indiana, Georgia, Idaho, South Carolina, then this is for you. Okay. So just to show you what they're hiring for, we're going to click on Georgia since I'm actually in Florida. So Georgia is closer to me. So basically, some of the responsibilities for this position would be to answer inbound calls from customers and address questions and concerns, provide information about their insurance and coverage, benefit plans, resolve concerns to simplify their healthcare experience. You would navigate through multiple computer applications with speed and accuracy, and you will adapt to learn new call types when business needs change and flex support in those areas. So some of the work from home requirements, most of the time, everything is the same. You need 10 megabytes per second download speed. It needs to be a hardwired internet connection via an Ethernet cable. So that means Wi-Fi doesn't work, satellite doesn't work. Okay, so you need your PC to be equipped with a mouse, a keyboard. You may need a USB, well, you do need a USB headset with noise canceling microphone, and you also need a dedicated, quiet, and secure workspace with no distractions, you guys. This is very important when you're working from home. It needs to be quiet in the background, because I've heard a lot of people who work from home, they have gotten terminated for too much noise. Okay, so please make sure you have your office or your area where you work and it's completely quiet. If you're someone with children and like younger children, maybe elementary school, you can probably pick hours during the times that they're in school, and it'll be nice and quiet. All right, so additional requirements, you will need to be 18 years or older with a high school diploma or GED, entry-level position with a minimum of 6 months customer service experience, customer-focused personality and desire to help people, professional positive attitude and courteous telephone etiquette. Full-time schedule is available to meet the business needs, and it may include evenings and weekends, and also willing to submit a drug test and a background check. All right. So I really don't know what they're looking for in your background check, but they're searching. So this particular job may not be felony friendly, but as I say, try it, because you could be surprised. All right. So the benefits and perks is 14 to 15 per hour plus overtime during peak needs, access up to 50% of your pay immediately after your shift, paid virtual training, and remote work environment. Okay. So if you are interested in this position, again, it pays $14 to $15 an hour, and they do offer overtime when it's very, very busy. So if you're interested in this position, I'll link the website below. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss a job opportunity. And boss is out.